In this video of the SEO course, today we will learn about Google Penguin algorithm update. So you will get complete information about it. Friends, earlier as we discussed about the Panda update, right? This Penguin here is also equally important. Friends, the Panda update which is there, this Google update was basically related to content, but the Penguin here, that is an update related to backlinks. Let's understand about this, okay? So friends, Google Penguin, this algorithm here, this Google update. So Google had officially launched this update in the year 2012. Okay, and at the time when it was officially launched, it wasn't called Penguin at that time. At that time, it was called the web spam algorithm update. What was the name? Its name was web spam. That was its name, web spam. Okay, so it was called this. Now, why was this brought in by Google? Because they wanted to improve search quality. The sites whose content and whose linking are working more efficiently, I mean they are working in an ethical way and the quality of their network is highly structured and better. And they have backlinks with them, so they brought this in to give them more priority. Now, what was their main specific target? This link spamming that happens. Practices of manipulative link building takes place. Stopping and completely eliminating. Practice of link farming, so that websites where ethical work is being done, their ranks could be taken higher, and these sites who follow malpractices of link farming could be downgraded. Now, what exactly this is? For now in this course, in the earlier videos, we have previously explained that what link farming spamming is all about. But even then, I'll give you an idea. So friends, what is link spam? Okay. So this manipulative link building that is there, what do we call it? I mean, what actually is it? Now in here, a website is here. Second website, third website, fourth website, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Let's say there are 10 websites. There is one company, one person who owns those 10 websites. Now they have created link with each other. Okay, this one with this website and also with this and this website, like this and this here, even with this and with this website. So in this way, what is happening? You can also call this link farming. All right, in here, just one company, after creating its multiple websites, these companies, they are creating links or they have been creating backlinks, etc. Okay, so friends, this practice is not ethical. This is not a genuine way. Okay, so we discussed this. Besides that, when we create backlinks, okay, then why does Google, or say Google's algorithm, sites with better authority, website who has a good DA, PA, all right friends, and websites with genuine authentic backlink will be given priority. So previously kind of a race was going on for backlinks, that before the Panda update came, you could put any content with whatever standard you deemed fit, even if the quality is degraded or copied. So the Pandas restricted it and made things better. In the same way, even within the backlink building, backlink is being made with any other website, even if its authority is very low, or backlink is being made without caring if it is a relevant site. They only care about creating backlinks. They don't bother with the fact that what if the site is unethical. So link spamming is when you create backlinks with 100 websites that have low authority or are not very ethical or are not right. Okay, so creating backlinks with 10 quality websites is much productive and efficient than creating backlinks with 100 unethical websites. Okay, quality matters more. I mean the quality backlinks matter a lot. Similarly in Panda, quality content matters. Okay, so there is no need to stretch this further. This is the concept and it works on this. Now friends, this web spam algorithm that was launched at the time, it was later officially named Penguin. Is this clear? Okay friends, are you following me till here? So then through a tweet, Matt Cutts, who was at that time happened to head the Google spam team, the web spam team. So he, by tweeting this name, had announced its official name. Now let's move forward friends. Now let's take a look at the history of Penguin. So this Penguin update, when it was launched for the first time, its first update was on April 24, 2012. After that, its 1.1 version came on March 26, 2012. Version 1.2 came on 5th October 2012. Its version 2.0, which was there, its update came on May 2022, right? Sorry, May 22, 2013. The 2.1 update came on 4 October 2013. Its 3.0 update came on 17 October 2014. And 4.0 update came on September 23, 2016. So let's move on and understand. Now here, we will look into some myths. Among the people, there are some misconceptions, some myths about this update. So let's clear that up. Now some people think that if the Penguin update came and hit their site, then it's a penalty. That's not the case. Okay. If you are doing ethical work, if you are doing it the right way, then there is no such penalty if you are not doing ethical work. And then it's hitting it, so it is going to do its job, the purpose for which algorithm was designed. You will get notified. Okay, this simply means that you will be notified by Google when this algorithm will hit your website. But no, there's nothing like that. There are no notifications. Disavowing bad links is the only method. Friends, it means that the bad backlinks that have been created, okay, they should be removed, or some pages should not be allowed to crawl. They should be strictly disavowed. So doing these things will prevent the Penguin from hitting websites, clear, or from consequences that will be there once Penguin hits your website. You can avoid that by doing this. So it is not like there is just one method, okay? Google looks and analyzes everything. This is not the only parameter. So people, in their own way, based on their own personal experiences over a very long period of time, have created myths. But by gaining complete information, understanding every small detail now, who is an expert on anything? One who has complete knowledge of things, right? He knows all the basics. He knows how things work, what to do and what not to do, and how to solve any problem that may arise. He knows all of that. So friends, if you are learning SEO thoroughly and all its basics are clear to you, then things like this should never scare you, because your foundation will be strong before the start of building website, meaning from its inception, and then taking it to the higher ranks, all the planning would be done easily. And for that, you can learn from this course well. In fact, you are learning now. Friends, in addition to that, if your website is hit by Penguin, it cannot be recovered. So if your website is hit by Penguin once, it's over. Thus, you can never recover. Your website can never rank again. It will be down. No, that's not the case. Everything is crawled again, alright? It is checked, analyzed and judged again. Because this is not a huge illegal activity. Yes, you have not done quality work, but you can improve the work. Okay, and you can remove the malpractices. So you can do all these things. There is no need to be afraid of any update. It comes for our betterment, so that those who are doing good work, they will be recognized. They are able to reach at the top, so that users benefit, Google benefits, and you benefit as well. Thank you.